got the new Maximus Answer doorbell in the mail today for us to go off and do a test. And it's really cool because it has two cameras. It has a regular camera looking up, and it has another camera that actually looks down at the packages that might be left at your doorstep. So we're going to open this thing up and we're going to check it out. So let's give it a go. So let's see. What I found was it's really hard to open. So we're going to open it the hard way. I hate to do this to a nice looking box, but it is so sealed. All right, got a little bit of room here. This must be glued on somehow. There we go. All right, the box is off. And let's see what's inside. All right, nicely packaged. So tight. Okay, there it is. The beautiful doorbell. So look at this. All right, we'll take off the package. Oh, I just slide it off. Okay, so here we are. This is the new Maximus Answer doorbell with two cameras. One that looks up at about 10 degrees, and the other one looks down against the wall onto the ground so you can see what's underneath your doorbell. Let's take a look and see what else is in the box. All right. So first off, nice instructions. They tell you how to install the doorbell. And they show you all the things that are in the box, and then they give you a bunch of steps. Looks like, let's see, six steps, and you can install the doorbell. So not too bad. We'll take care of this later. They give you a drill bit to install the screws. And there's a nice little package with all the screws, so you can mount it in stucco or wood. All that is included. They give you these wire connectors to allow you to connect your doorbell up to your existing doorbell wires. They also give you, this is really kind of nice, they give you these gaskets, and they give you two different kinds of mounting plates. So they give you one mounting plate if you just want to put it flat on the wall, and they give you one that could be put at an angle. So if you want to put your camera at an angle either left or right, they give you that capability now. A little screwdriver for mounting the doorbell to the plate. And then what I think is really nice is they give you a little bypass for your regular doorbell, so you can hook up your Maximus doorbell to your existing chime, including a little sticky tape so you can mount this thing inside the chime box. I think that's a really good idea. That's it. It's all that comes in the box. So you get the camera, you get all the mounting plates, either flat or at an angle. You get gaskets to weather seal it. You get all the wires that you need to connect it up, plus screwdriver, the Allen wrench, the bypass connector, the drill bit for stucco, and all the wall anchors to mount the doorbell, including directions as well. So if you want to see how this doorbell operates, we saw this doorbell at CES this year, and we did a video. So I'll put a link to the video in the description below, and you can go ahead and take a look at that video as well. We look forward to installing this. Stay tuned. We'll do a full video after we get the doorbell installed and show you how it all operates. Thank you very much.